Hey guys, what is up? What's going on? It's Ashley and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, what I'm going to be doing is an Ulta haul. Now I'm pretty excited about this video because I haven't filmed a haul in a while, and I feel like hauls are really helpful because I can just haul a bunch of items and you guys can let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in a tutorial. You know what I mean? So I definitely want to start filming more haul videos. This will be an Ulta haul. So I did get all of these items at Ulta, which is I'm also really excited about this video because I did team up with Ulta Beauty to let you guys know more about their diamond status. So if you didn't know, pretty much Ultimate Rewards is Ulta Beauty's reward program, which is something I'm pretty familiar with because it's something I've been a part of since I first started shopping at Ulta Beauty. Now, how it works is that you earn points for everything you buy, and in turn, those points can be redeemed for $4 off any product at Ulta Beauty, which I think is really cool because I'd much rather have, you know, money applied to my purchase as opposed to getting like little sample products, but that's just me. I am currently platinum status, which is where you spend $450 within a calendar year, and now they have a brand new status called diamond status above platinum where you earn even more points on your purchases. So I think that's pretty cool. Now the way you get to diamond status is by spending $1,200 within a calendar year, but once you get to diamond status, you're gonna get a $25 beauty services card that you could use on hair, skin, or brow services at Ulta Beauty, on top of a surprise gift to try. So definitely peep your head in, check out their rewards program next time you're in Ulta. Don't be that bitter Betty at the cash wrap who doesn't want to give her email or her name or her birthday, because fun fact, when you do give your email or your birthday, you get double points during your birthday month and you get a free birthday gift. So the points are gonna add up super quick. Anyone can join. Definitely check it out. Also check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have my Instagram link down below. I'm doing something super cool, Ulta Beauty, over my Instagram for their diamond status. So check out my Instagram. You may win a little something. Check it out. I know you guys want to see what I got from Ulta, so without further ado, we're gonna get into the haul. Do you guys see the size of my bag? It's massive. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna take all the items out of here and lay them on my table so that way you guys aren't gonna hear a lot of this in the video. Honestly, I think that's super annoying and it's probably like really close to my mic. So let me take these things out and we gonna get into it. Ulta receipt. Before we begin, I need to let you guys know that I originally went to Ulta for lashes and I came out with all this stuff. Like, let me know how that happens. Let me know in the comments down below, but I'm gonna first start off with what I went to Ulta for, which are lashes. I have a few lashes from Eylure. Now, Eylure is probably my favorite lash brand to shop when I go to Ulta, specifically the one in collaboration with Vegas Nay. This is from the Luxe collection in the style Bronze Beauty. I love it because they are their mink effect lashes. Now, what I love is that they're extremely full and fluffy on the eyes. You guys know I'm all about fluffy and full lashes, so I really love these. I also picked up another backup of these. These are the Platinum Princess lashes. Like, look how stunning. And then lastly, I got these, which are from the Luxe line in the style Gilded. Now, one thing I will say about these is that the lash band is a little bit thicker than those of these from the Vegas Nay Luxe collection, but I really love how full and fluffy these are as well. Sticking with the lashes trend, I did pick up some lashes from Ardell. I'll show you these first. These are the faux mink lashes in the style 812. I really love these because they're not so much fuller on the ends. They're fuller in the center, and I just really love how these look. Now, these aren't super duper thick. I feel like these are more of a natural lash for me. I know somebody's like, no, those are not natural, but these are definitely natural for me. And then I also picked up some lash trios from Ardell. I really love these if I'm trying to go for more of a natural look. I'll kind of like stack the lashes towards the outer portion of the eye to give me more of like an elongated effect. I'm definitely going to do a video on how I use these pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that. So those are all the lashes I got. Speaking of Eylure and continuing on with Eylure, I saw that Vegas Nay launched some new stuff with Eylure, so I was like, hold up, wait a minute, let me get it, okay? So I have this guy right here. This is the Eylure in Vegas Nay Brow and Shadow Pro Palette. It says it has 9 high impact brow and shadow shades. Guys, when I seen this, I was like, whoa. So I went ahead and popped it out. This is what the palette looks like right here. It has a bunch of neutral shades and it's said to be used for your brows and also your eyes. It also comes with this dual-ended brush right here. So it comes with an angled brush and also a spoolie on the end. I will swatch this on screen so that way you guys can see the pigmentation. But if you do want me to do a video with this, let me know. Vegas Nay also came out with another product with Eylure, which is this guy right here. This is the Brow Highlighter and Shadow Pro Palette. It comes with 6 stunning highlighter powder. So I'm pretty excited to see what this guy is all about. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's the same as the other palette I just showed you. And when you open it up, ooh, I actually really like this. So this is what the shadow looks like. So it has a mixture between mattes and also shimmers. And it also comes with a dual-ended brush. So this is a sponge tip applicator, and then this is a brush tip applicator. I really like that they included a mirror. Despite it being cardboard packaging, if it comes with a mirror, it's a win for me. So I'll also swatch this on my arm so that way you guys can see the pigmentation. The first thing I noticed when I went to like the drugstore side of Ulta is that NYX had so many new things on display. I didn't pick up everything that NYX came out with just because they had so many things. I did pick up some things that I knew I would be interested in and that I knew I would want to use in videos. So the first thing I picked up is this right here. This is the Hydra Touch Oil Primer. Now, I normally don't use oil primers, but when I saw this and I saw that it was new, I kind of wanted to give it a go. Plus, I want to start using more NYX products in my drugstore looks because I noticed that I normally grab like the same drugstore brands in videos. So this is kind of what it looks like. So when you twist it off, it kind of has like a dropper. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand to see how it feels, but I'll definitely use it in a video sometime soon. Oh my God, it smells so good and it feels really, really good on my hand as well. What is in this? Okay, so it says formulated with skin-loving ingredients like jojoba and almond oil. This lightweight primer glides on like a dream for a smooth-looking canvas and beautiful coverage. So, oh my God, it smells so good. I honestly can't wait to put this on my skin. Like, is this just as a primer or can you put it on at night before you go to sleep? I don't know. Maybe not. I then picked up some of the new Shimmer Down pigments by NYX. Now these are very, very similar colors. One is in 05 and then the other one is in 03. I did get more neutral colors just because I felt like I was gonna use them a lot more. Now they do have specks of glitter on it, but it's not like anything like a chunky glitter. I'm really excited for these. I also picked up 2 lip products from NYX. These are the brand new Strictly Vinyl lip glosses. You guys know how I feel about a good gloss. So this one right here is in the shade 06. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a swatch. So it is super duper dark, but you see it's like an enriched lipstick lip gloss. That's the best way I could possibly describe it. You guys are probably like, what? And then the next one I got is in the shade 03. I'm just busting open the wrappers, but this one is more of a brown and nude. They're both pretty brown, but I love that brown nude. And you guys know I love me a good old gloss. So that wraps all the drugstore products I got. I did get some high-end products. So I'll start off with the palettes. The first palette I got is this one right here. This is the Anastasia Prism palette. Now, I was hesitant about getting this because it is limited edition, and I don't really like to use limited edition products on my channel just because they're not looks that you guys can create months down the road. But the reason I got this is because I do want to dupe it in one of my videos. You guys know. You guys probably know my bad habit videos, so I am going to be duping this palette in that video, which is why I decided to pick her up. She's like so clean. Do you see how like perfect the black suede is? Anyways, suede velvet. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a bunch of very beautiful shades in it. I honestly have no idea what look I'm going to create using this. I'm pretty skeptical just because of subculture. You guys know that whole trend on not liking subculture that was going around, but I think it's going to be a pretty good palette. I have heard great things about it, so I decided to give her a whirl. You guys will see that in my dupe video. Then I picked up this palette by NARS. This is the Narcissist Wanted eyeshadow palette. Now, I was very surprised when I walked into my Ulta Beauty to see that they had a bunch of NARS products, not just like one-off products here and there. They had like the full line of NARS. I was shook. So I decided to get this guy. When I open her up, you guys are probably going to be like, go figure. I can't stay away from colors like these. I have no idea what it is with me. I have no idea what's going on. Hold on, I have to take the thing off. So this is what the shadow palette looks like. I feel like the green right here is what really drew me to the palette. I think the pigmentation on this is amazing. Like literally creamy, buildable, blendable. Just on my arm, just arm swatches. I think this palette is totally worth it. Let me just say, I swatched it in store and I was like, you're coming home with me. All right, we're moving on. I also picked this guy up. This is the Tarte Chrome Paint. I seen everybody swatching this in PR and I was like, I need it. Like it's so freaking pretty. And when I swatched it in store, I was like, yes, wait, is this the one I wanted? No, I don't think this is her. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. This is not the one I wanted. I'm pretty sure I got the wrong one. Like I'm almost positive I got the wrong one, but this is still beautiful. I think this is gonna look amazing for like a bronze goddess look. This one is in the shade Martini. I think the one I wanted was a little bit more like orange in undertone. You guys are probably like, go figure. obviously you would want that one. But I think this one's gonna be really, really pretty, like I said, for kind of like a bronzy look. But it's so foiled, it's so buttery. It just, oh, I knew I had to have this. I think I'm gonna go back and get the others because that's how pretty this is IRL. I don't even think the camera's doing it justice. I decided to switch things up and go with a new concealer. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. I find myself getting stuck into a routine where I use the same concealers over and over, but then I realized I should probably try something new. So I did get this guy right here. Look at the packaging. It is so pretty. I did pick mine up in the shade Light Warm. And I'm pretty excited to see how she feels underneath the eyes. I gave her a swatch in store and she was extremely creamy and it blended out really, really nicely. So it blends out really nice on the hand, but I feel like that doesn't really let you know how a product's gonna perform, especially underneath the eyes. So if you guys want to see this, let me know. So lastly, I picked up some items from Nude Sticks. Now I'm pretty excited about these purchases because I feel like I've seen them everywhere, but I've never tried them for myself. So the first thing I picked up is the Nudies Bronze and Highlight Stick. I'm pretty excited. It comes in like a little tin can like this. Like, look how cute the packaging is. So you just take the lid off and then the product is inside with just like this wrapper right here. So this is the Nudies All Over Face Color. I did pick mine up in the shade Hey Honey. Hey honey. This is what it looks like swatch on the back of my hand. Now this is gonna be perfect if you want a really all over dewy, glowy, highlighted from within look. So you can pop this on the highest points of your cheekbones. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for the summer if you want that very J-Lo glow, you know what I mean? So that's kind of what it looks like blended out on my hand. It like literally melts into the skin. And then on the other end, it has this brush right here. So I'm pretty sure you could use the brush to blend out the product, but I'm not too sure how often I will actually use the brush to blend it out. But then again, we'll see. It's my first time ever using products from this brand, so we'll see how it goes. Then the last product I picked up is the Magnetic Eye Color Pencil from Nude Sticks. And the reason I got this is because I've been really into doing more kind of like undone smoky eyes, and I really just wanted a good cream color base to lay down before applying the shadow. So I picked this one up in the shade Cocoa, and it's just pretty much a dark chocolate brown cream color base. Now you can use it as eyeshadow, you can use it as an eyeshadow base. I'm not sure what else the display said, but the display, it totally showed me. It sold me. So right here, this is Cocoa blended out on the back of my hand. I think it's gonna be an amazing base for when I do smoky eyes. Maybe I will pair it with the Chrome Paint by Tarte and do more of like a bronze goddess smoky eye. Honestly, don't know. It all depends what you guys wanna see, so let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because I'm doing a huge giveaway with Ulta Beauty for their diamond status. So with that, guys, I don't think I have anything else to say except I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I'll be sure to catch you guys all on the next one. Deuces.